That's just how I'm living.
Hey y'all, this is All of Destiny. So I'm starting off, I have my little travel bag, starting off brushing my teeth. This is the Arm & Hammer Spinbrush. This one is the Pro Clean. You can get this at Walgreens for about $9.99. And I'm pairing that with my Colgate baking soda and peroxide whitening toothpaste. I'm just going to brush for 2 minutes. Now I'm taking my Clean and Clear Deep Action Cream Cleanser. This one is oil free. It's also travel size. I don't like to go into my restroom and grab every step that I may do in the skincare routine when I'm back home. I just take little travel products and then I get back to my basics once I'm back in the comfort of my own home. I did bring my own towel. I'm going to pat my face dry with that. Also, I do have a skincare routine on my channel. I'll link it down below if y'all are interested in everything that I do with my skincare. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my contacts. I chose to apply both on camera because one time I didn't and someone assumed I wore one contact lens. I'm taking my Pond's dry skin cream. I'm just going to apply that all over my face. I've been using this for about 2 years, ever since my subscribers recommended it to me, and I absolutely love it. If you saw my previous video, then you know the deal with the shower and why I would not be getting in there, but I did do a quick little sink type of wash up. Comment down below if y'all know what that is, if you ever done like a sink wash up before. But just know that on a regular morning routine of me being in a hotel, I would take a regular shower, but do we have to do disclaimers? And the body wash that I did bring with me is Hello Beautiful. It's from Bath & Body Works. Okay, she's back. Let's do some hair. So this is how my hair looks after sleeping in my bonnet. And I picked up some products from Dollar General. I didn't bring anything as far as my hair goes, except for I brought a brush, a banana clip, something to pick my hair with, and a dimming brush in case I needed to brush back through my curls. The standard things that are always in my purse, my edge tamer, and then my little edge brush are the 2 things that's usually in my purse for my hair. So I picked up some more of this tea tree oil. It was leaking. And it's supposed to have a seal on it. Doesn't it supposed to say do not use if seal is broken? The seal is broken. I can't remember how these come. If I remember correctly, I always take the seal off of it. What's the chances? I got some scrunchies in case I was going to need to do a ponytail because I forgot these. So yeah, that leaked on everything. Ugh. I just picked up some of this S-Curl No Drip because it was the only thing I saw with a spray bottle and all of that. It's going to be funny if my hair likes this. I didn't film me originally doing my hair. So I was in a rush really to just get to where I was going. If you're not new to my channel, in the past before I've kind of talked about how when I usually sit down to film me doing my hair with my makeup, I don't want to have anywhere to go. I just want to have to film. It's a different type of stressful situation to have to rush. I didn't film it, but basically I did my wash day routine. It's the same wash day routine that I did in the curly to straight, except I did deep condition for about 20 minutes using Lovely Brianna's moisture mask, and then after that I basically just slapped some products in my hair. I'm paranoid using this with the seal being broken. What would someone put in it? I don't know. I tried finally Amber's technique of putting in some of your products while you're still in the shower. I don't type my hair and all of that, so I'm not sure. I just assume. I remember when we were DMing once and she told me that my hair sort of looks like her hair when she was like growing it out and stuff, and I was like, oh, don't tell me that, because I love her hair and she's low porosity. So I was like, if my hair is like hers and she says that she put her products in while she's still in the shower, I'm gonna end up cutting it when I flip it to the side so it can keep swooping this way, but I don't have anything with me to cut right now. I don't think I got to do anything really to my hair. I'm just using this oil on my hands to kind of pull my hair back out in the back. I don't know what that looks like. Okay, I put in the Shea Moisture Hibiscus leave-in, no, the Shea Moisture Hibiscus Coconut Leave-In Conditioner. I'll put the exact name or the product on the screen. Hold on. 1 second. Who is it? Okay, hold on. I'm using my travel size 24-hour edge tamer by Ebro, New York, and my double-ended brush and comb. So yeah, I just put some of the Shea Moisture Hibiscus Coconut Leave-In in my hair. I put the other products in there once I was done taking the towel off my hair. I know you all are going to ask. I will be filming this wash day routine for you all soon. I'm actually glad I mentioned the products that I used in this portion. Otherwise, I would not have remembered what I did to my hair to get it to turn out like this. My sister thought I had clip-ins in my hair, so that made it look extra good to her. I'm done. I carry like some brow pencils and lip liner, concealer and all of that on me. I'm literally not doing makeup at all today. You can brush out your brows if you would like. This is how I get ready when I don't do any makeup at all, and I just kind of slap on some gloss. That's it. I didn't even need to touch up my hair actually. Put everything back in here so it don't waste. Well guys, that's how I do my little lazy hotel morning routine. Get ready with me when I don't do no makeup at all. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this, but I hope y'all enjoy it if I did. Comment down below if you can relate. Oh, this sucks. This is what I have on. Okay, let's go. So this is the outside of the hotel. If you all watched my nameless hotel room tour, a lot of you all wanted me to kind of disclose the name of the hotel, or at least the reason that I was there. Neither is important, well, when it comes to my YouTube channel, but just know that I slept safely, and I have been laughing with you all about these comments that y'all left me. Now to go and eat breakfast. Y'all never seen me get ready and be so plain Jane, huh? Not even plain Jane. She could never. Jane could never, okay? Look at my hair. I can't believe I slept on my hair. I'm a real natural now. Like, who this? We're about to get McDonald's. I'm up at 7 in the morning. I was in bed at midnight. Scan, sweetie, scan. Sometimes we have to skip makeup so your skin can just wait. I could have did my brows, but oops. Now to go and eat. This little country town, people gonna be like, what is that thing she got? This whole vlog setup thing is a little distracting. Y'all know what McDonald's. So I ordered hot cakes with sausage, hash brown, and OJ. I'll show it to you all when it gets here. Or knowing me, it's already on the side or popped up over me or something. Like, listen, editing skills. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. What are y'all doing, if you don't mind me asking?
Oh, I'm a vlogger. I vlog on YouTube. Oh, I can give you a card.
Look at her.
You watching vloggers? I don't even know what she's talking about. Oh, YouTubers. You know.
Oh, yeah. It's on the back. I'm a YouTuber. I vlog my life. I told y'all this thing would be kind of distracting.
We must look rich to them.
But I got these. It's the 10-pack of LED Wilson & Fisher steak light set, and it's just the solar powered. I've already put all of them together. They're outside. Obviously, I'm a YouTuber. I don't show the outside of my house. You just take this out like this, and then you untwist right here, and then you have to turn it on so that it'll know to start receiving light, I guess, because they're kind of set to be off in stores. And what I'm gonna do, I was already putting it in like this, but I figured it makes more sense for me to push it in the yard to not have to be pushing on the top part. I'm gonna push them into the yard most likely, then sit this part back on there so it can go ahead and get some light before nighttime. It is 10 in the yard. The way I'm spacing them out, basically I'm laying them like this flat in the grass so I can see how I want them spaced out versus sticking them in the grass and then realizing I have to move them. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I was about to say something else, but I can't remember what it was. Oh well. My bad. I'm looking at myself a lot instead of the lens because I'm trying to make sure my glasses aren't glaring because I normally don't vlog in them for that reason. So yeah, I'm just outside doing some yard work. Dominique is outside spraying that spray stuff that I was telling you all about. I'm not sure if I'm going to put these vlogs together. If not, then there was a separate vlog. If I kept that footage when I feel like I'm embarrassing myself, I might trash it. But the bug spray that I was telling y'all that we spray around the house and stuff like that, that's what she's doing. Show them the spray. You don't have to get in it. Home Defense. So I just got in from Dollar Tree and Home Depot. I'm going to start back vlogging. I'm going to try my best, but I'm not going to do too much talking because I was asked to speak at a career fair about YouTube tomorrow morning. I've had a busy week, so I haven't really prepared my visuals yet, but I'm getting ready to do that right now. So I just went to Dollar Tree and picked up a few things. This Rice Krispie treat has nothing to do with that. Something to snack on while I work along with this juice. But I just grabbed this little trifle. I'm shocked they had it because sometimes it's like a hit and miss, but they did have it today. Your girl was cold with it, okay? When it came to doing little trifold projects in school, my mom, she was like, you need this or that or blah blah blah. I was like, sweet pea, baby, A+ over here. So I played no games when it came to trifold. So I'm about to whip this up, put some important things about YouTube on there, and basically just get prepared. And then the only other thing I need to do, I need to get my nails ready, because how can I speak and all of that about what I do on YouTube? I do nails and I do hair, and my hair is like this and my nails are like this. I know y'all like, why is she rushing if it's tomorrow? Like, I don't really sleep by an alarm clock all the time. Hey, Mr. Lincoln. I just kind of, you know, I get up around 9 naturally. So.
What? The grease?
Huh?
The box.
You gonna help me?
The grease?
So yeah, I got some tape, I got some staples. I like this one because it's bigger, but then I got this one because it comes with the staples, and I needed staples too, and they didn't have staples separately. These little letters, I can put YouTube across the top. My ever so infamous black border, since my words are gonna be red. I didn't want red and red, but I'll show you our finished product. And of course, the construction paper, because you cut out the construction paper and then you put your words on top of it. I do have a printer. Luckily, I just kind of purchased one a couple of weeks ago. Since I sell things on Poshmark, I got sick of going to the library to print off labels every now and then when people purchase from me. So I'm gonna shut up now. We're gonna work on this. I need to grab my laptop. But yeah, I'm timing myself to midnight so I can be in bed. That's what I was saying about getting up early. The career fair is from 9:30 to 11, I think. And in order for me to get up and be able to do my makeup and all of that, I need to be up at like, I need to leave home at like 8 something because I gotta set it up. Like I didn't set up the day before. So I don't wanna be doing that while the kids are coming in. Let's begin. Yeah. Trying to put these staples in here. Sure. No, I always had the best project. This side is like, I always had the best. We didn't even go to school together. I never went to school with her. We're not close enough in age to have done such a thing. You ought to be more like your sister. She do homework. This thing ain't even working. Oh my god. How many All of Destinies does it take to put a stapler together? What are you talking about? Put trying to make her trifle project.
I got see
Scissors. I think they're in the kitchen.
You got a light-skinned chick and a Nubian queen, though.
Are y'all okay? Are you okay? Okay, you good? Okay, good. Sorry about that.
the hell.
So far, so good. Alright guys, so today I'll be, no I'm kidding. Okay, now we're gonna put on these letters.
Hey, I forgot to tell you, them YouTube twin boys coming here to show us comedy club.
The baddie twins.
That's light-skinned boys.
Got my poster letters up next. Go to Dollar Tree for your school projects, kids.
Told you, we had y'all there.
So that your project can be the bomb. All of these letters are already cut out. It's gonna make it look like I did. So that's even better. I think I wanted to say YouTube and then All of Destiny. But I guess, well, it's about me speaking about YouTube. But I guess in a sense I'm gonna be talking about myself too, because the kids are most likely gonna be asking me questions about me in particular, plus why not rank yourself, you know? There's 3 of each letter in here. Some are solid and some are
striped.
Yeah. But back to the hyperlapse. You get 3 of each letter, but one of them comes solid and then the other 2 comes like this. One of my E's is already taken, so I would have a stripe one. Oh, I think I would have enough of each. Oh, I would have enough to swap them out. Would you go without stripes? Because those U's gonna be distracted to 6th through 8th grade, huh?
Girl, them kids ain't gonna be distracted.
Leave it like this. It look like I cut those out. And I did it. I'm also taking my banner with me. Shout out to the side. You put them in there?
People up and down?
The people go up and down? You helping me? Good job, Lincoln. You tried? I tried too. I'm so mad. When I lined it up, I had one letter that was going to be on that one letter on this one, and the rest would be centered in this. I don't know how I just got it offset like that. Woo, 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 woo. Now to print off just a few little things to go in the middle that I'm trying to think will be my main points. Start start off with the cell phone or your laptop, and just some other things I'm going to talk about. How YouTubers get paid, marketing, all of that stuff. But at the same time, like I said, I'm speaking to 6th through 8th grade, I think. So I don't want to get too like you. Another thing about being a YouTuber, know your audience, know who you're talking to. So gotta make it relatable. Oh, is another thing I'm supposed to be able to let out. Where is it? It's just throwing my papers everywhere. There it is. Done. She is done with her project. Is it recording? Yeah, okay. I feel like I took my contacts out. So I did take my contacts out. That's why I can't see too well. I knew when I was driving, I was like, I can't really see. YouTube, Destiny. Let me know if y'all want, well, depending on how I record it, I'm not sure yet. Let me know if y'all want me to do like a what is YouTube, how to be a YouTuber, how to make money on YouTube. Let me know all of that. I do have a YouTube advice video on my channel. Let me know if y'all want me to do more YouTube related videos, like behind the scenes type of stuff, like what I'm going to basically go and speak to the kids in the morning. I'm going to go ahead and get all this stuff cleaned up now so that I can get ready for bed, because I have to be up at like 6:30, and I haven't gotten up that early in a long time. So I still need to polish my nails so that they can look nice, and then I'm just going to slick my hair back. Shout out to my sister Boom. When you all see the next set of footage, I may do it separately, I don't know. Definitely check it out if you're interested on the footage of me actually going to the school and everything in the morning. My sister came over to help me kind of prepare and stuff, so that's one less thing I don't have to do. Now that I'm done with this, I would have had to prepare my wig, but she did that for me. She did a better job than me. Wow, shout out to D-Side. Like, I'm not shocked, let's be clear. I knew, I'm just saying, like, she looks good. Like, D-Side. Subscribe to both of my sisters' YouTube channels if you guys are not. Alright, I'm gonna get all this cleaned up. I don't know why I didn't get a glue stick. Did you not remember how you used to do projects this? Now, I wanted to put this somewhere, but we basically have YouTube all over this thing. There is nowhere else to fit it. I gotta do my makeup in the morning, put this wig on. I'm gonna slick my hair back into a ponytail instead of braiding it down. I'm gonna shower up and polish my nails, probably in bed. That way I can go ahead and fall asleep. Go to Dollar Tree, kids, if y'all have projects to do. Don't be like me doing your project last minute. Like, when I was in school, I would at least start, depending on the project, at least 2 days before. I'm kidding. PowerPoints and stuff like that, I would like to have at least a good amount of time. It just depends on you and your work ethic. Don't take my word for it. Just make sure you do what you gotta do to get a good grade. Last minute or not though, I would get a good grade on that one, right? Other than that, guys, I'll talk to you all in my next video. My pants getting loose, y'all. I'm losing weight. Look how I gotta pull them up like this. These used to be so tight on me. Okay, goodbye.
And that's just how I'm living. Money and